Quinn, Vitsjogik in the Swedish Damallsvenskan, as well as Washington Spirit in the NWSL. They were the first Canadian to play collegiate soccer at Duke University. Quinn previously represented Canada on the under-17, under-20, under-23 national teams in 2021. At the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, Quinn became the first out, transgender, non-binary athlete to compete at the Olympics, the first to medal, and the first to earn a gold medal. Raised with their three sisters in a sporting family in Toronto, Quinn's father, Bill, was a collegiate rugby player and their mother, Linda, played college basketball. Quinn began playing soccer with a club team at the age of 6. An active child, they also swam, played hockey, and skied competitively. In 2010, they were selected for the under-14 provincial team and began playing for the national level youth program. Quinn attended Havergal College, an independent school where they played varsity volleyball and basketball and earned academic honors all 4 years. Quinn won the Conference of Independent Schools of Ontario Athletic Association Championship in 2011 for volleyball. They were named Most Valuable Player for the basketball team in 2010-11 and helped lead the team to the CISAA Championship in 2009 and 2012. During high school, Quinn was also senior class prefect and co-head of the Sports Council. During their senior year, Quinn earned the school's Suzanne Curtis Memorial Trophy and was named Athlete of the Year. Quinn played soccer for the Erin Mills Eagles Soccer Club U15 and U16 teams and helped the team win the Ontario Provincial Championship in 2010 and 2011 and the Canadian National U16 Club Championship in 2011. The team won silver in 2012. Quinn attended Duke University, where they played collegiate soccer for the Duke Blue Devils from 2013 to 2018 and majored in biology. They were the first Canadian to play for the Blue Devils. During their freshman season, Quinn started in 4 of the 7 matches they played. They missed 8 games after being injured early in the season. They recorded an assist against the Boston College Eagles. The following season, Quinn was a starting midfielder in 12 of the 14 games they played. They scored 2 goals during the season, including 1 game winner. Despite missing 4 games due to injury, Quinn recorded 1,060 minutes of play their sophomore season. As a junior, Quinn was a starting defender in 20 of the 22 games they played and logged 1,974 minutes despite missing 3 games due to an ankle injury. The defensive line's 14 shutouts ranked first in the ACC and 7th in the nation. During a match against Florida in the NCAA Sweet 16, Quinn scored an equalizing header goal to tie the match 1-1. After winning the match 2-1, Duke advanced to the NCAA Cup quarterfinals. Quinn played in 4 matches in 2016 due to competing at the 2016 Rio Olympics with the national team and injuries. As a redshirt senior in 2017, Quinn earned Atlantic Coast Conference Midfielder of the Year honors and was a Hermann Trophy semi-finalist the same year. They were named All-ACC First Team and United Soccer Coaches First Team All-American. Quinn became the highest drafted Canadian in NWSL history when they were selected 3rd overall by the Washington Spirit in the 2018 NWSL College Draft. During the 2018 season, Quinn started in 16 of the 17 matches they played and recorded 1,385 minutes their rookie season. The Spirit finished in 8th place with a 2-1-7-5 record. Wanting to play in Europe ahead of the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup in France, Quinn signed with Division 1 feminine club Paris FC. They made their debut for Paris FC during a 1-0 against Guingamp on the 16th of February. Quinn played in 2 matches for Paris during the 2018-19 D1F season while also competing for Canada at the Algarve Cup and multiple training camps ahead of the World Cup. The club finished in 5th place with a 9-8-5 record. In July 2019, Quinn returned to the NWSL in the United States and signed with Reign FC based in Tacoma, Washington, a suburb of Seattle. Quinn made their debut for the Reign on the 11th of August in a 3-1 loss to Utah Royals FC. Quinn competed in 6 matches during the 2019 season for a total of 357 minutes. The club finished in 4th place with a the 8th of June 10 record and earned a berth to the NWSL playoffs. They were defeated 4-1 by eventual champions North Carolina Courage during the semi-final. In 2020, Quinn played 203 minutes for the Reign in the NWSL Challenge Cup, including 2 starts. In August 2020, it was announced Quinn was loaned to Swedish club Witsjo GIK for the 2020 Damallsvenskan. They played 660 minutes in 8 matches for Witsjo, helping the club finish in 5th place despite the emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic. Quinn has represented Canada on the senior, under-23, under-20 and under-17 national teams. Quinn won a silver medal at the 2012 CONCACAF Women's U17 Championship in Guatemala and competed at the 2012 FIFA U17 Women's World Cup.